Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi zidni ilma. My dear students, today this is our 8th lecture, and in this lecture we will discuss the relation between roots and coefficients of a quadratic equation. As you know that the standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and the formulas to find the sum and product of roots is, in this case, sum s is equal to minus b upon a, product p is equal to c upon a. In exercise 2.3, question 1, part 6, we are having a quadratic equation 7x square minus 5mx plus 9n is equal to 0, and if we want to find the sum of the roots of this equation, then we will use s is equal to minus b upon a, and after putting the values of b and a, we will get sum equal to 5m upon 7, and product after putting the value of c and a, we will find the product 9n over 7. In question 2, part 1, there is a quadratic equation and we have to find the value of k. So, let's suppose alpha beta be the roots of this equation, then sum alpha plus beta formula minus b upon a, and after putting value of ab, we will get the value of alpha plus beta 3 upon 2k, and the product alpha beta is equal to 2 after putting the values of a and b. In this case, the given condition is that sum of the roots is the twice of the product of the roots. It means alpha plus beta is equal to 2 alpha beta, and after putting the value of alpha plus beta, which we have found already here, after putting the value of alpha plus beta and alpha beta, we will get the value of k, that is equal to 3 upon 8. Okay. Now, in this question 3, again we are having a quadratic equation. Let alpha beta be the roots of this equation, then alpha plus beta is 2k, alpha beta is equal to 2k plus 1. Now, in this case, given condition is that sum of the squares of the roots is equal to 6. So, alpha square plus beta square is equal to 6. This is the given condition. So, now we are using a technique, that is, we are adding 2 alpha beta and subtracting 2 alpha beta in the same case. And alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta is equal to 6, and again we are putting the values of alpha plus beta and alpha beta. We will get a result 4k square minus 4k minus 8, and after factorization, or in some cases we will use quadratic formula. In this case, we got the values of k, that is minus 1 and 2. Now, in question 4, part 2, we are again having quadratic equation. Let alpha beta be the roots. Alpha plus beta is minus 3, alpha beta is p minus 2, and in this case, the given condition is that the two roots of the equation differ by 2. It means alpha minus beta is equal to 2. So, after squaring both sides, we will get alpha square plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta is equal to 4, and again we are adding and subtracting 2 alpha beta in this equation, and then we will get alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta is equal to 4. We are again putting the values of alpha plus beta and alpha beta in this equation, and after putting this and simplification we will find the value of p, that is 13 upon 4. In question 5 part 1 we are having quadratic equation. We suppose alpha beta be the roots. Alpha plus beta is equal to 7, alpha beta is 3m minus 5, and in this case given is that 3 alpha plus 2 beta is equal to 4. Now in this case, let this is equation 1, this is equation 2, and 3 alpha plus 2 beta is equal to 4 is equation 3. From equation 1 we got alpha is equal to 7 minus beta, and suppose this is equation 4. Now you will put the value of alpha 7 minus beta in equation 3, and we will get 3 bracket 7 minus beta bracket close plus 2 beta is equal to 4. Again after simplification we will find the value of beta, that is 17. Okay, and now we are interested to find the value of alpha. Actually in this question we have to find the value of m, and after finding beta we will put the value of beta in equation 4, and we will get the value of alpha, that will be minus 10 after finding alpha beta. Now we are going to find the value of m. How we will find? We will put the values of alpha beta in equation 2, and after simplification we will get the value of m, that is equal to minus 55. So in this equation we used the sum and product of roots and solved different questions. Okay, thank you very much.